All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Here is the story behind Freedom. Fuck.
When this thing goes black, all you gotta do is tap it and it'll come back on. Gotcha.
All right, y'all. Let me tell you the story behind the Freedom music video. The homies get married in Tuscany, and I'm like, all right, bro, I'll come, but I need to multitask. I need to get some music videos shot. I'm flying in Rome. I had one set up in Rome, and then I plan on going to Venice on the trip. So I got one set up in Venice. Both of those have models. You know, I'm in Tuscany at the wedding, and I'm like, I need to figure out another music video. And when we get to the venue of the wedding, I'm like, this is hard. So let me try to, make it work. And so I picked the song. I was going through my songs. I'm like, okay, Freedom. I'm gonna do Freedom. I figured out how to shoot music videos on my GoPro. Pretty much give it to anybody who can hold a camera. They don't have to have any skill. I can tell them what to do. My homie's brother Henry was there. I was like, Henry, can you record this music video for me? I'll show you what to do. I got my GoPro. In between the ceremony and the reception, after the dinner and dancing, can we get some shots in? He was like, yeah, for sure, let's do it. The first shot was right after the ceremony, right? So right after the ceremony, before the dinner and shit, I was like, hey bro, let's go get a shot right out here. You know what I mean? Get the little scenery with in the back in front of the building.
So how did I know if it's playing? Hit the red circle?
So you gotta do this.
Alright.
And how you do it is you just kind of go back and forth with me. You know what I mean? You gotta come up closer.
Yeah.
You wanna get some close shots. You see I look right here with a close shot.
You're right.
Get some close shots. Get some medium shots.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean?
Gotcha.
And don't say
now when I say when you say shot, snaps or just back up. Okay, got you.
But close is better.
All right.
Come closer.
Okay.
And it's kind of when I come close and you back up a little bit.
Got
you.
You.
Come closer to me again.
Got you.
Push off. Cool. Ryan, hold on. There. Hold on.
Are you all right? All right.
So you need to slide. Coming through, niggas so cool, brand new, old school.
All I got is freedom, cause that's all that's on my mind.
It's K. I appreciate it. Yeah. Pay me well.
All day.
Thank you, my brother. Yes. And then after that, we went in, we, did the reception stuff, the hors d'oeuvres, had dinner. And then after dinner, I was like, hey bro, let's go out and get some more shots. And so that's when I got the last 2 shots in the video. We went out and got one in the driveway with all the candles on the side lit.
So you gotta hold it like this. You see this? You gotta hold the phone and the light just like that together.
I got you, B.
Hold on.
Just like that.
You ready?
Yeah, man. Is it playing on the recorder?
Yeah, we good. And we just gotta make sure you can see me.
Trying to show the niggas how I really do this shit.
Alright, back up and I'm gonna come towards you as I look at the scenery.
Fuck that shit up, man. I be coming through, niggas so cool, like I've been riding in a brand new old school.
All got freedom, cause it's all on my mind. Okay.
Alright, just go ahead and do it up here real quick. Just do one more take. Thank you. Yeah? After that, I went kind of like that, area with all the grass and all the candles behind it too. Have you hold one. All right.
Now you want it up or you want it by you?
You want it up? I want it up as high as you can take it. So you're gonna be behind it, like this, right there.
Got you. Okay, bet.
You're gonna be up high. Higher.
Higher.
No, you got it the wrong way. You got to turn the wrong way.
Okay, got
That's
it.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta bring it. Okay, there we go.
All right, high up. As high as you can take it. Right there, yeah. And you need to be behind it. You need to be behind it. I'll see it. You're not gonna be able to see it.
All right.
Because if you see it, you're gonna be in the shot.
Gotcha. I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Come through, nigga so cool, like I've been riding in a brand new old school. I said I don't know,
Back towards the middle, Henry.
but that's okay, cause I'm driving down the road wrong way. About my grind, about my time.
High, Pete. High.
Gotcha.
Honest freedom's always on my mind. It's quiet means I'm free. That's how it be.
Back over here, Henry.
The OGs, motherfuckers told me that I'm less than weak. It's a crime for your freedom and time. All I know is freedom, cause that's all that's on my mind.
That's right.
It's K.
Can't die. Kill these niggas. They don't know what's coming in the future for these niggas. It's over. It's love. It's love, baby. Y'all see this? It's the making. Y'all can check out the stars. It's so beautiful. You know, when they say the stars is aligned, things happen. It's about to happen right now. Y'all might not visualize it, but definitely survive. Manifesting into the physical. This is more than spiritual. It's how it is.
Thank you, my brother. I appreciate it.
Now we vibe, man.
Yeah,
It's a
bro.
vibe.
This
It's a
is,
vibe.
yeah, it's correct.
And that was it. I only got like 3 shots for the whole music video. I edited it together. I had this woman I found on Upwork named Louisa Luna. I used her for After Effects, the first stage of After Effects. And she did all like the photo stuff and all like the cool like face locks, all the After Effects except for the words that weren't on the hook. So she did the freedom words on the hook, but all the other words I did. That's how I made the music video. With Henry, you know, as my cameraman, and Louisa did my After Effects, just at the homies, bro, me fucking my life. And at the homies' wedding. Another run and gun music video, like I usually do. You know, it only took me like, 15 minutes max to shoot. And yeah, I think it came out well for, you know, what it was. Dope video shot in Tuscany, Italy. You know what I mean?